Hi guys, welcome to Spotaria channel. In this video, I'll share you how to send document in WhatsApp iPhone. But before I start, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to open the WhatsApp apps on your phone and open chat history with someone. Then click the plus in the bottom left corner, and there will be a few options. Choose document, because we will send the document file. It will automatically be transferred to the iPhone file manager. Therefore, you have to save the photo or video to the file manager first. If it is done, then select the file to send. Like this. And click send on the top right in the corner. And done. So guys, it's a very simple thing. I think that's all. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video and good luck.